The Filipino adverb or pang-abay, madalang means seldom in English. Madalang. Madalang. Let us have the following example sentences. Madalang kaming mag-chat dahil busy kami. It means we seldom chat because we are busy. Madalang seldom kami is like we or us. Magka-chat is to like chat maybe through text or in person. Dahil because busy kami, we are busy. Madalang kaming magka-chat dahil busy kami. Madalang siyang umiti, seryoso siya, madalang. He or she seldom smiles. He or she is serious. Madalang siyang umiti. Madalang means seldom. Ngiti means smiles. And then smile. And then seryoso is serious. So most of the time, he or she is serious because siya it's gender neutral. Madalang siyang umiti. Seryoso siya, madalang. Madalang lang akong kumain ng pagkain. It means I seldom eat food. Ako is I, kain is eat, and then pagkain is food. So madalang lang akong kumain ng pagkain. Madalang na madalang magsalita ang bata. It means the child very seldom speaks. Madalang is seldom. Madalang na madalang is very seldom. Salita means to speak, and then a bata is a child. Madalang na madalang magsalita ang bata. The child very seldom speaks. Once again, our pang-abay or adverb madalang means seldom in English. Madalang. Madalang.